Imagine having a crypto exchange, DeFi wallet, trading terminal, and cross-chain bridge all inside one simple app. No switching tabs, just seamless trading. That's exactly what Infinex does, and today I'm going to walk you through it. Hi guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. Today we are diving into Infinex, the new crypto super app that combines everything you need for DeFi in a single place. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token, WikiCat, which is built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. Let's dive in, guys. So to access Infinex, head to your Chrome browser and type in the official website, app.infinex.xyz. Set it up by creating an account, choose a username, then choose a username. Once you choose a username, you then allow your device to create a passkey, as Infinex uses a passkey login system, which means no password, no seed phrase. Your device becomes your secure login method. So once your device is done creating a passkey, you'll have an interface like this. So this is your main dashboard, basically the overview of everything. You could see some major assets. So guys, or to view more, just click add new. You'll have a view of top cryptos, new assets, top gainers, and losers. So guys, let's head back. So the next feature is portfolio. Let's click it. This shows all the crypto you own across different chains and wallets. You can see tokens, balances, network breakdown, total portfolio value, and changes in value. You could even deposit and send out crypto. So it's literally your crypto summary page. Next we have Perps. Let's click it. So guys, this means Perpetual futures trading. I believe you know that. So this is where you trade leverage, long or short assets, open positions. You'll get to see your profits and losses. Next is crates. Let's click it. So crates are reward boxes inside Infinex. Think of them as boxes with tags and rewards. So when you click more right here, you'll see additional tools like Switch, Earn, Airdrops, Bull Run, activity, and gas. Okay, so guys, let's start with Switch. Let's click it. Switch combines swap plus bridge in one click. Okay, so you can swap tokens, move them to another chain, or do both in one smooth transaction. Let's head back and click Earn. So Earn is where you earn yields, basically ways to earn passive income on your crypto. Now let's head back and click Airdrops. Airdrops, we know what airdrops are. They just show your eligible airdrops, ongoing campaigns, and requirements to qualify. Then Bull Run. So Bull Run highlights high potential tokens and trending opportunities. Activity shows your entire transaction history, including swaps, bridges, trades, wallet actions, and also deposits and withdrawals. Gas account helps you manage gas fees easily. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful. Feel free to drop your questions or comment in the comment section. And don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye. See you in the next video.